Every year, we refresh ourselves, we set new goals, we achieve them, sometimes we achieve them late, some of them are yet to be achieved. 2024, just like every previous year, has been a very interesting one. In the new year, all the personal wishes are applicable. My personal wishes come up from a lack that has been around for about 3 years recently. We shall make art, love, peace, pasta, a beautiful side plan, or whatever, but not war. I wish every one of you a peaceful 2025 and the rest of the time. Yo, creating content is not fucking easy. Okay? Look at this. Look at this mess.